Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create the Joker on Jasmine Press. So, I'm going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory just was on. Let me know if you want a makeup tutorial. I will just show you quickly what I used. I used this in white, this in red, this in red, this in dark red, and then this in black. Then just the nose. And then for the eyes and nose, obviously you can customize it to whatever you want. Then for the hair, I use this one in black and green, 073F07, and also this one in the same color, but green and then black. And then for the accessories adjustments, I used the halo in this color, 530AOB, A0B. Position the Y at 0.26, Z at 0.6. Rotate the X at 0 and the Z at 0.56 and scale it to 0. Then I also grabbed this eye mask in the same color-ish, 680C0E. Position the X at 0.51, Y 0.44, Z 0.52. Rotate the X at 0.04, the Z at the Z at 0.6, and scale it down to 0.30. And for the outfit, it's pretty much super basic. I use this, but if you don't have it, you can use the vest outside of VIP. I colored it this purple, 3D295A. And then this green for the vest, and then for the tie I just did this, but just a little bit darker. And then I did green for the buttons. But I guess we can make it like this actually. That looks cuter. I know. And then I'm going to use this for the pants. I'm just going to color it green. And for the shoes, just these boots in black. And then for the weapon, I just use this accessory, and that is it. Super simple, kind of ish. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!